Okay students, now let's do the exercise 18a. First question, write down the letters representing the following points in the given graph 4, 2. Now you can see 4 is here, 4, that means the value of x will be 4, which is here, and the value of y will be 2. So which point is lying on this? B. So the answer of this is B. Students, we will do 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 4 and 5 we will do it in book only. Now similarly 1, 6, that means the value of x will be 1 and the value of y will be 6. So when we will put the intersection point, you can see the point is G. So the answer of this is G point is lying on 1, 6 coordinate. Next is 5, 3. 5 is here, 3 is here, so C point. 2, 1. 2 from x, y will be 1, so point is A. This is the answer of it. Write down the coordinates of the following points. First is F. That is, F point is x3, y4. So 3, 4 is the answer of it. Now C point, C is here. C point, so 5 is here and x value will be 5 and y value will be 3. So 5, 3. H point, H you can see it is on x-axis, sorry. So when any point is on x-axis, the value of y will be 0 and the value of x will be 6. So 6, 0. Now I point is on y-axis, so x value will be 0 and y value will be 4. Now next is D point. Now you can see D point is here, where the value of x is 6 and y is also 6. So 6, 6. Now G point. G is here. X is 1, y is 6. So 1, 6 is the answer of it. Clear? Now we will do question number 2. Write down the coordinates of the point PQRS in the following rectangular coordinate plane. Now P, you have to draw the perpendicular on this. You can see the value of x will be 1 and the value of y will also be 1. Now Q point, Q x value is 2, y is also 2, so 2, 2. Now R point, value of x will be 2, value of y will be 3, so the coordinates will be 2, 3. Now X point lies in this here and the value of x will be 3 and the value of y will be 2, so it will be 3, 2. Clear? Now let's do question number 3. Now P point, P is x2 and y is, you can see it is on 3. So P point coordinates are 2, 3. Clear? Now Q point, now Q is here, which is 1. On y, it is y is 1 and x is 4. So Q coordinates are 4, 3. Now let's come to R. Again, x is 8 and y is 1. So 8, 1. Now S, x value is 10 and y is 3. So 10, 3. Now W, x point is 8 and y is 4. So 8, 4. Now T point, x is how much? 8 and y is also 8. So 8, 8. Clear? Now what is left? U. U is, x is 4 and y is 6. So 4, 6. Now V point is left. Now V is x6 and y is 3. So V coordinates are 6, 3. Clear about it? Now question 4th is, I am explaining question 1a part of 4th and 5th and rest you will write it by yourself in the textbook. Now question 4 says, write down the x coordinates abscissa, x coordinate that is abscissa in each of the following. Now first is A point 0, 7. Now I told you abscissa means the value of x. So abscissa is 0. Rest you do by yourself. Write down the y coordinates, that is ordinate of each of the following points. Now first is P 5, 9. Now you can see the value of y you have to find out. So value of y is this. So it is 9. So ordinate will be 9. So these way you will do question 4 and 5 as homework.